Hi guys, how you doing? I'm Sam from ProKite Surfing. I teach people to kite surf, landboard and land buggy. I've got my business in Rhyl, North Wales. I believe we've got one of the best beaches in the UK purely because when we teach people we've got relatively shallow water, loads of big sandbars out there, so when people learn, they're learning shallow and flat water, so if you do make a mistake you can stand up and try again. One of the most important parts of my business is that people know who we are. And if it wasn't for my website, social media and that type of things, we wouldn't be where we are today. And when people research kite surfing, they can see me. I've got to come very high up in the Google search engines. It's hugely important that we have decent Wi-Fi. We've got 15 megabytes per second down here. The faster the Wi-Fi, the quicker we can upload our videos. If people see what we're doing, it encourages them to book more lessons. One thing we have done is invest a lot into our business with technology, with cameras, because we film people on the water with GoPros. We've got projectors in here to show them their progressions. We've got computers in here so we can describe and take bookings and show people what we're doing. A really exciting part of my technology is instead of getting an email saying thanks for your confirmation, you have a video of me saying can't wait for you guys to come and see us, get you in the water and teach you all about kite surfing. TripAdvisor is huge for me. When people do a referencing to our business and they explain what they've experienced, and likes on Facebook. I get quite excited about it when people tend to share the videos or make comments about what we're doing because it's again great for my business and the growth of it. If you're a business that's been running for years or a business that's just about to think about doing something, the best advice I can give you is don't stop spending money on the social media and the website and technology. If you're not using technology, you get left behind. If you want to advance your business, move it forward with technology and keep evolving. The quicker you evolve with technology, the quicker your business will grow.